Hi and welcome back once again to Daxi for You's channel. I hope you are all doing great. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. God bless you for everything, and thank you so much. So please, if you happen to be here and you haven't subscribed, do not forget to hit that red subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. I'm going to share with you guys how to make this amazing banana ice cream. Yeah, so you will need ripe bananas, and then you go ahead and peel them, and then you cut them into bites. Now go ahead and then put the banana pieces into a Ziploc bag, or if you don't have a Ziploc bag, like just find a way to freeze it. So we are putting everything in a Ziploc bag right now, and then you just go ahead and put it in the freezer. Yes. And you know what, this last one is not going into the freezer. Guess where it's going? Yes, I have to taste it. That is normal. Yes, so it's going straight into my mouth. So it's the next day, and then we are ready to just make this. So I just brought it straight from the freezer, and then straight into my blender. I put it inside my blender, and then I went ahead and added in my vanilla extract to it. You can it's optional. I want vanilla in my banana ice cream. It's so yummy. And then we are just going to blend it without water. Yes, you are doing this without water, and you have to just make sure that you take your time, don't give up. Have to do it like little by little. You will get there. So after every I blend, and you see that you are finding it difficult to blend, just open it and then scrape all the sizes and put them back in, and then blend again. That is how you do it. So here then we blend again, and then you do that until it is well blended. Yeah, so here we are scraping the sides for the second time. If you can see, we are getting there, and then we'll just go ahead and then blend it again. You can make this for your babies when they start to eat, like from 8 months upwards. I try to make this for my babies, but I try not to add in the milk, but rather I add in their baby formula because they are still on the formula at that time. And here it is. Just look at it. It's so creamy. Just look at it. Just look at how creamy it is. Yes. So at this time, we are just going to go ahead and then put this aside. Yeah, if you're making this for a baby, after you blend it and you are going to serve the baby right away, don't put it back in the freezer. Put it on the countertop for it to melt a little bit. You don't want to serve your baby an icy food. So I'm using heavy whipping cream. You can use milk. Yeah, you can use your evaporated milk or any milk that you have. So I just added it to the blend. Here I'm using my blender. Yeah, I'm using the pause button of the blender to just whip this for just a little bit. The reason why I did not add the whipping cream to it earlier was that I didn't want it to blend for so long and then it will turn to a butter. And then I added the already blended banana to it to just use the pause button to just press that one too for just about 30 seconds. I'm telling you, I just needed to make this for my kids. Daxi was like, oh, my face is burning, I'm feeling so hot, and I don't want to buy ice cream outside, so I always try to make ice cream for them. I always have some frozen fruits in my fridge, the banana, so when they just want ice cream, I just go ahead and make something cold for them. It's so hot this year. So here I went ahead to pour everything into my bowl, my pan. Try to use a bowl or a pan that have a wider surface, so you can spread it very well, and then when it's ready it will be easy for you to scoop it out. But use what you have. Yes, I always tell you to use what you have. You don't have to go buy a new one for this. Use what you have. You are just making it for yourself, right? So here I just covered with some cling film. Make sure that it touches the surface of the ice cream. Yes, so When you put it on and your ice cream is not full, like it's not to the brim, it's not to the brim like mine, you have to just press it for it to uh, get in touch with it. So here you put it in the freezer and then you freeze it for about 2 to 3 hours. We did this for about 2 3 hours, and here it is, our ice cream. It's all done. Serve immediately. But if you happen to leave it in the freezer for like overnight, and then you bring it out and it's so hard to scoop, just leave it on your countertop for about 20 to 30 minutes, then you scoop. It will be perfect. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you. Hope you will give this goodness, yumminess a try. Yes, it's so good. Good.